여기 다쳤어? 아이고. 아이고. 오락실 갔다 왔어?
아니요.
아니야?
갔다.
아이고 보고 싶었어. 민지도. 민지도 아빠. Thank you for carrying kids around.
It's good to see you. Whoa, you look skinnier. Whoa.
I work outside 12 hours for the bike
That is
cycle
so
event.
wow.
And I come home directly now. I was busy.
주말에 시간이 없어요?
시간이 없었어.
없었어?
그래서 다이나한테 전화 못했어.
맞아.
일 끝나고 바로 왔어요. 이거 my work uniform.
오, 와우.
You exercise?
운동했어요. 운동했어요. 많이 운동했어요.
PT?
헬스장이랑 PT랑 골프 수업 갔어요.
잘했어. 오케이 잘했어. 내가 I treat you tomorrow.
Oh, you found it. This is the camping spot? Yeah. Like over there.
오.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a bumpy road! Whoa, guys, this is crazy. This is the way?
Yeah,
Are
yeah.
you sure?
Yeah. I choose this place
Oh!
because we have this sports car, Lexton car. Huh? Trust me, this is really good place.
Things I don't know.
Okay, we'll take care of it. Let's get our... Wait, this way?
Oh, it's really good background.
It's really nice. Is that the manager?
Hmm.
Oh, he looks like a normal person. Wait, what do managers look like anyway? I got it. Woo!
Oh, nice. 요금을 받으러 왔는데요. 아, 예, 요금 낼게요.
네.
아빠 이거 누구 거야?
아, 여기 아저씨가 관리하시는 분이고, 우리 여기서
어떻게 관리할 건데요?
그러니까 여기가
어떻게
우리가
걸리냐고? 청소도 하고 낚시하시는 분들도 찾아가 다니고.
Take a look at this really gorgeous lake. And it is so beautiful, really nice. And we're going to enjoy this with the tent and chairs and just relax a little bit. When I go to the gym, it's in the mornings, and then I have PT in the afternoons, and then nighttime is exercise. So I'm feeling bored from my routine.
Your daddy is for to improve yourself. 아, 저기 사진 찍으려고 해서요. 네, 추천 감사합니다. 거기다 해볼게요. He said that there's a shade. It's good to have tent there. Oh, he's nice. Oh, strong.
아 여기 무거운 것도 있어요.
In Korea, everyone does this. This is like a standard. Even though everything's heavy, people still bring a lot.
What? The leg? What is this?
Oh, my leg broke. Let's put it back inside. I think it's to adjust.
Ah, you can lock. Oh, that's right.
It's not broke. It's not broke.
But what? Mom, why are we going to eat there? We're going to jump to here?
I guess you could do that too. Kimbap.
Oh, 유부초밥.
Yubuchobap.
You made this today morning?
Yeah. Oatmeal yubuchobap.
Whoa.
I woke up around 6 a.m.
Ah.
and I made yubuchobap
Nice,
and
nice.
the original yubuchobap. Let me show you the original. I made this.
오. Diana, really you made a lot. Whoa. My mother will be surprised.
She will be surprised.
준이, 좋아? 여기 캠핑? 좋아?
Oh, dude, I also have the 0 calories shike. Woo!
제로 CK is very popular.
Yay! So I don't consume more calories. Okay, let's eat.
Not this. I want this.
Okay, well, I'm going to try
What?
Ultimo Ibuchobap. Mmm. Minji, is it your second one? Hmm? Can I try some too?
Okay. Mom!
I didn't eat a lot. Okay, sorry, June.
왜? 그거 설탕 없는 건데?
How often does your family go camping?
어차피
We don't go.
You guys don't go?
응.
Why not?
When I was only young, when I was teenager.
Teenager?
응.
You guys would go with your father?
응. Father bring all items and mother cook outside.
I have one.
Mmm. Okay, I'm full.
아, 나비들 너무 예쁘다.
Put chia seeds and yeast powder and some psyllium. What do you say it? Psyllium fiber.
응.
Mmm.
Can I have one?
이제
Yay, 잘한다.
그래 진짜 너무 잘 만들었다. 응.
Thank you.
나 유지를 열릴 거야.
Try the oatmeal.
아빠 왜 그래?
너무 잘 만들었어. And the most important thing is how much seasoning. Eh? Seasoning balance is good. 민지도 무서워?
You guys are scared?
아빠
왜요?
벌 초콜릿 좋아해?
벌 초콜릿 안 좋아해? 벌은 이쁜 거랑 꽃이랑 좋아해.
아빠
예.
엄마 이뻐?
엄마 이쁘잖아.
Are you scared? You looking for the bee? It's she's looking back like it's gonna be behind her. And I love you.
What?
I got it from Gucci.
Crazy.
아빠 내 거.
Okay. I didn't get it from Gucci. I got it from Prada.
이상-
No, I'll be serious this time. I got it from Versace.
Okay. Go to 10.
Is my jokes funny?
No.
Okay, well it's better than your jokes. Your jokes have no meaning. Oh, Minji! Oh, I heard
Oh.
kids in UT1 already know the brand. The other day I went to pick up Jin and Minji and I was vlogging with the camera and then one kid said, "Is it expensive? Pizza?"
응.
And I said, "Oh, pizza." He said, "Brand, what brand?" 무슨 brand이에요?
응.
And I said, Sony. He said, "Oh, 너무 비싸요."
Oh. He knows Sony camera?
Mm.
Wow.
I guess his mom was coming and then we had a small chat. We were walking out from the UT1 to the parking lot.
I think it's not good teach the brand better, what's better or not.
I don't know if kids are being taught, but maybe they learn from their parents.
Yeah, usually parents teach. That's expensive. I don't think it's good. Also Korean kids also learn like which apartment is good, which apartment is cheap.
From UT1?
Yeah, 유치원 also. I don't think it's good. Huh? I think we should teach everything is equal. Just car is car. Huh? Home is home.
이제 내 자.
Just satisfied what they have, right? Being satisfied is better.
Like, I didn't know about brands until high school.
No. 그거
음.
48.
Like,
Huh.
yeah, my friend taught me, not my parents. In high school, my
Right.
friend taught me because she was really into like the high luxury brands. She was into like Chanel and Gucci, all those things. But I didn't know what that was. She's like, you didn't know? You don't know? So she started teaching me like how expensive each brand was.
음.
And I didn't really care.
음.
But then I started to gradually care like, oh, expensive me better quality, but it's not always the case.
야, 준이 모델인데? 편해?
내 똥반지 갖고 와야겠다. 똥반지. 왜 아빠 아빠 자려고?
잘할 거야.
근데 왜 아빠 안 자도 돼?
지금 민지랑 놀고 있어.
싫어. 지금 포텐 하고 있잖아. Let's find someone.
I remember we rode kayak with your father. Wow, I want to
that?
live here.
What's that over there? Homes?
Shark.
No, homes or apartments.
Over there?
Pensions? Never mind. You need glasses.
How do I know? Then what is this?
Rocks,
What rock?
stones. I just wanted to know if you ever registered for glasses before.
I did the LASIK surgery.
Really? I think you need more.
아빠 나 이제 가고
Do you want to go swimming?
No, it's fresh water.
You think so?
No, it's not fresh water.
How can we get some fishing poles?
What do you like? City life, nature life?
City.
City?
No, I like nature. I think weekends would be
아빠
good for nature.
유부초밥. 민지가 유부초밥 덮어줄래?
네.
아, 민지 좋다네.
경고 한번.
아, 준이 경고 2번.
아빠 주님 경고 몇 번 남았어?
Wow.
준이 3번 아웃.
아빠 이미지 탈락 세면 같이 하는 거야.
아, 엄마 경고.
Let's go. No, it's my turn. It's my turn.
Oh, dangerous, dangerous.
Out. Don't look at my stomach. You're out. Ooh, what's this? What's that? Over there. What's that? 편의점?
International store.
International store. I wonder what's inside. Oh, people are camping here. Okay. Nice spot. Oh, they have an SUV. Oh, it's international store. Oh, what is this?
월드마트.
Walmart? Whoa.
This present.
Oh, thank you, Jen. 우리는 편의점 가요. 오. International store. 안녕하세요.
Mommy, mommy.
This is international park. And over there is
Oh, convenience store. They have international snacks.
Yeah.
Let's do like a game. Pick a snack and then like guess what country it's from.
What country do you think is?
Thailand?
Oh yeah, Thailand. How did you know?
It is because coconut is popular. Wow, they have noodles. Chicken curry flavor. This looks like American ramen noodles. It's like buying a souvenir. You could just buy something here and like, hey, I went to Thailand and
Where does it come from?
apple jam. What? Never heard of that before.
From Sri Lanka, Asia.
Sri Lanka. Maybe I can find something keto. Do you know what this is, Jin? No, Jin, not candy.
Okay. It's not candy. It's jelly.
Oh, they have mackerel. Okay, it's fish in a can. Maybe I can. It's keto. Maybe I can get this. Oh, it's a good idea. This is from Thailand. See?
Want to see?
It's like nuts and honey together. Oh, that sounds so good.
Oh, shit.
Oh, 너무 좋다.
아빠, 이거
Oh, I want to get
똑같아.
this.
아빠,
What else they have? Oh, I remember going to Vietnam and getting this coffee. Now they have this everywhere in Korea. This coffee used to be really popular like 10 years ago. What is this? It looks like a kind of bean, fermented bean. Are there any international stores in like Suwon
Oh,
and
it's one station.
Oh yeah, that's right. Suwon Station has a lot. What else they have here? What's this? Fish? Oh, it's bananas. This is bananas, fried bananas. I don't think I had fried bananas before. I had dried bananas, but not fried. I wonder how that tastes. What about this? Rice snacks. Wanna give it to your friends? Look, they have rice snacks. It'd be so nice to give to friends, to one friend. Finally found the international drinks. Oh my god. I had this in America. They have it here. This is from maybe Thailand.
Oh, it's from Thailand.
Coconut. Mango.
Oh, coconut mango. Yeah, it's from Thailand.
I used to buy this from that department store that closed down a couple years ago because of COVID. So good. I'm gonna get the original coconut drink. Okay, it's time to pay. Let's go. Ooh.
와. 자,
Inside the car. 아빠 비와.
비우지? 오, it was right decision, right?
Okay.
You want to sit here? 여기다 먹자.
아니 근데 비오잖아.
저기 있어. 이제 저기 가서 앉아.
아빠 여기 안에 있는 거.
와, 고양이다. 귀엽지?
고양이가.
준이 여기 앉아. 준이야, 고양이 귀엽지?
많이 다쳤나 봐.
다쳤어? 아, 눈곱 꼈네.
I thought like we had like another hour or two, but it just rained as soon as we came in the store for
Yeah.
like 10 minutes.
It's really good decision, Diana.
진짜?
Good decision to pack, right?
Oh yeah, it was good. I'm curious about the family that was beside us.
응.
They were just relaxing like it was like another sunny day.
It's also good to stay in the tent in the rainy day.
Oh yeah, people actually do camp in the from Thailand.
Oh.
You can see the writing here is from Thailand.
음.
Okay, let's see what it tastes like. It's like a honey and rice type of flavor. Like the honey keeps the rice together. It's like air rice. I don't know what you call it in Korean salad.
Good.
It's a Thailand drink, so you can go first. It's good, isn't it? Oh, I'm surprised you like it. Usually, like food and drinks from Thailand have a really strong flavor.
Good. You ever tried this one? Good. In America?
In Korea,
Korea?
32 grams of sugar. In this bottle.
don't drink.
See, sugar is so good that I had to take another drink. It's addicting. Oh, we need to be quiet so the cat can sleep. Okay, so June said that we need to be quiet because we're gonna wake up the cat, and we don't want to wake up Mr. Orange Cat. That's his name, Orange Cat, Mr. Orange Cat. Okay, Jin? Okay, say Mr. Orange Cat. Someone's saying hi to us behind us. Everyone says hi to us in public. Yeah. The guy and his friend didn't have an umbrella, but they left anyways on the motorcycle.
아니 왜 이렇게 조금 있지? 아 여기 꽉 차냐?